What's up? Pigs are getting a lot bigger. Down to 10 babies. Still looking to get rid of about 3 more. They are about 90 to 100 pounds right now, depending. Well, probably 80 to 100 pounds. There's a little bit of difference between the runt and the bigger one in here. I want to step in. Walk around them real quick. Hey girl, how are y'all? Hope everybody had a good Christmas. Pigs got some extra bread and some extra corn. They enjoyed their Christmas. As you can tell, the little plows are doing their work just fine. We're moving them today for dinner. Oh, I know, Mama. You're following me, huh? You want to rub? Oh, I love you too. Yes, you're a good mama. Yeah, they're plowing this up good for me. Finding old trash that was buried from the people before us. Some sort of old Coke bottle or something. But they have turned this ground into what you're looking at now. No grass. Turned it up, tilled it up, plowed it up. They'll be going over here today to fresh ground. And they'll be tearing up another plot for me. We'll be planting some, what are we doing out here? Watermelons and squashes. So, who says a farmer needs a plow? Keep your $100,000 piece of material. I'll take my $50 pig. Hope y'all have a great day. Later.